railway sector.
Minister in charge PWD Buildings Dasa Khyatbha Lamare said there is no need for a CBI probe into the collapse of the dome of the new assembly building at Mawdyangdyang. Speaking to reporters, Lamare said CBI probe is not needed because as per the report of the Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, there are no irregularities in the materials or in the design while making the dome. Lamare informed that the new assembly building is expected to be completed within 6 months.
So I don't think so any CBI probe is needed or this or that, because as per the report, as per investigation by the IIT, which is a very renowned institution, IIT, they have given us a report that there are no irregularities in materials or in the design or in what while making the dome. So I think that is more than enough.
Every year, Hima Malim organized the